Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your Outlook.com mailbox to a new device. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your Outlook.com mailbox to a new device, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Outlook.com website. Sign in to your Outlook.com account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, locate the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon to open the settings menu. From the settings menu, select View All Outlook Settings. In the settings window, choose Mail from the left sidebar. Next, select Sync Email from the options provided. Locate the section labeled Connected Accounts. Click on Add a Connected Account. Enter the email address of the account you want to connect. Select the type of account and fill in the required settings. Click OK to save your settings. Your Outlook.com mailbox will begin syncing with the new device. To access your mailbox on the new device, sign in with your Outlook.com credentials if prompted. Wait for the mailbox to sync completely. Once the sync is complete, you will have access to all your emails and folders. If you have any troubleshooting issues, refer to the Help section in Outlook. And that's it, your Outlook.com mailbox is now successfully transferred to your new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.